All right, Tony. Okay, look at here. Can you see my screen? Okay,
Yes.
look at here. Now, if it's also a question, since it is a past simple tense, we don't use is and are, we use was and were. Were you in the school a while ago? And also, we say did. Did you go to the party? Did you eat the cake? Okay.
Yes.
Use did if it's a question. We use was and where too. Okay. Because we are in the past simple tense. If it's past simple tense, the action is done already. Okay. Tony, I have your examples. Can you please read the examples?
Visit.
Next.
Visited.
Love.
Love. Loved.
Not loved. Loved.
Loved.
Next.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoyed.
Enjoyed.
Next. Study.
Study. Studied.
Stop.
Stop. Stop. Bat. Bat.
Next.
Comet. Comet.
Committed.
Committed.
Okay. Look, Tony, there are words which are what we call infinitive. If these words like visit, we just simply add ed. If there is already letter E to the verb, just simply add D. But Tony, if the word ends with a vowel plus letter Y, look at here, enjoy. Vowel plus letter Y, we add ed. Okay? Example, also Tony, if the word ends with a consonant and letter Y like study, D is a consonant and followed by letter Y, what will you do? We change Y to I and add ed. Look at the spelling of studied. We remove the letter Y, change it to I, and add ed. Now here, for one syllable word like stop, which is a vowel followed by the consonant, we double the consonant like bat, bat. Okay? Now here, for two syllables, commit. What will you do? You double the ending consonant and add ed. But wait, Tony, there are activities like this for a while. Worry, you will learn more about this. Now, Tony, look at here. I have here an activity for you. Tony, where are you? Okay. I have here an example of verbs. I want you to change these verbs into its past form. Can you do this?
Yes.
Okay. How about look? What will happen to look? Okay, next.
Dạ, con đang học đây.
Come on, Tony, few more words.
I don't know.
You don't know. How about the word answer? Why you only copy answer? These are just regular verbs. Go. Regular verbs. Answer is a regular verb. Very easy. Just add. What to add? Answer will become. What is it? Is that the answer for the answer? Finish answering, Tony. Go, please read, Tony. What are your answers? Go, number 1. Look. Again, look. Please read. Tony, read now.
Look, look, look it,
Not look it,
Love.
looked.
looked,
Love,
love it,
loved.
like
Again.
it,
Love, loved.
love, like it,
Liked. Okay, because it's
like.
only one syllable. Tony, listen. If the word is only one syllable, you pronounce ed as t. Looked, loved. Again.
Talk,
Again.
talk,
Next.
dance,
Next.
answer,
No answer for the answer? Only like that? You just copied the spelling? Are you finished? What do you think? Answered. Oh, 2 syllables. Answered. Again. Go now.
go, went, see, saw, drink, drunk, eat, ate.
Okay, let's check. Look will become looked. Right. Next, we also have here love is loved. Okay, next. We have here like is liked. Correct. Next, talk is talked. Very good. Next, dance is danced. Correct. Next, answer is, what's the answer for the answer? Is answered. Very good. Next. Wait for a while. Okay, next. Go is went. Okay, next. Next is get is got. All right. T is saw. Run is run. Okay. Drunk is D-R-A-N-K. Sorry, Tony. A while ago, I spelled it as D-U-N-K. Sorry. Because drunk, D-R-U-N-K, is used in the past participle. It's another. Okay? If it's only a simple past tense, what I gave you is the past participle. Okay? Simple past tense is drunk. D-R-A-N-K. That's simple past tense. If we talk about if we talk about past participle form, it's D-U-R-N-K. It is ate. There you go. Tony, listen. We don't have any more time to do the next activity. Listen. Okay? What I want you to do, or in your homework, is I will give words that you're going to change into its past form. And then I want you to make it in a sentence. Okay? You're gonna change the word into its past form. And then you're going to make those past form words into a sentence. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry. Maybe now you find it hard, but in the future, once you keep on using those words, it will be easier for you. Okay? Just take it easy. Okay? Don't rush things. You will learn it soon. Okay? So, Tony, that's all for today. You take a rest now, and I'll just give you the video as well as the given homework. Okay? Goodbye for now, Tony. See you next time, Tony. Goodbye.